Let's throw this trash, put this shit in the garage or something. I'm about to go Soulja on y'all niggas with the DRACO. Keep playing with me. I called Quavo the other day. I said, yo, man, I ain't coming to the studio with y'all no more, man. Soulja swing through that DRACO. Watch out. Hey Simp, you certified on this joint? Safe? You a boy. Do I got your phone? Yeah. Hold on. Don't say nothing crazy. Live still lit, Phil. I ain't saying nothing. No, Phil, old man, he don't know nothing about this live. Hey, Prima Donna, what's poppin'? Shout out to Prima Donna, man. I've been knowing her for some few years now. They coming through on Rafe. Her and her nigga.